Guys, first we need to take this cap and you can see the drill over here. You can see the holes, and for this guys, all of you got these kind of foam pieces, 2 mm foam pieces. So here we need to attach 4 mm foam pieces because you can see this thing it has to go inside, so make sure like that one. So we need to measure the diameter of circumference of this, and again we need to cut accordingly like this. Okay, then again you have to use the 743 glue and you have to attach like this. See here, total 2 foam pieces I have attached here. Yeah, 2 mm, total 4 mm is there. Okay, now next step is, again we need to take this kind of rod. You can see other hand is closed. Yeah, and for this I am adding the I have added the washer here. This rod we need to insert it from the inside like this. Yeah, you can see. Now you will get this. So again here you will get the another circular foam piece like this. Okay, so hope you will be getting this kind of tube foam piece. Instead of foam piece you will be getting this, I think, rubber. Yeah, rubber kind of. This is the cycle tube. This thing, yeah, make sure it will be circular, it would be fine. So what we are doing is just we are inserting this like this. Okay, now. Yeah, and again I am taking the washer here. Yes, using the board. See? Yeah, like this. Little bit tighten it. If you guys having this kind of cutting plier, you can use this. Otherwise, spanners you can use to tighten it. Not that much too tighter is not required. Okay, this is ready now. Yeah. Okay. Actually, for our hand pump model, we need little bit extender. So that's why you will be getting this kind of two mold welded 2 nuts here. So what I am doing is just one side of the nut I will be inserting for this rod. So yeah, and I have another rod, so I am attaching each other.
We have to tighten it.
We have to tighten it. It shouldn't shake or it shouldn't loose. Yeah, it should be tight. Okay, this part is ready. Yeah. Okay, guys, for the next step we are taking this kind of two tubes. One having just half of the tube, and one more thing, you will be getting the whole tube, and for this thing you will be getting extender, and other side you have to attach the closer cap. So it has a hole here. You will be getting some bigger hole. Yeah, and yeah, we'll go for the installation thing. Yes, so actually what we are going to do now, okay, yeah guys, you will be getting this kind of funnel cap here. So guys, take out the water inlet part of the pump. So what we have to do is, hope you will be getting this kind of rubber tube. It means the cycle tube thing, rubber thing. Just what we are doing is just we are closing this, not completely closing. Just what we are doing is just we will be adding the glue here and we will be attaching here like this. Just it has to open. like this.
Like a flap.
Ah,
Water
It
should
is-
come in but should not go out.
like
That's the intention of the
so
flap.
just I am adding 1 or 2 drops of glue here. Yeah,
Spread more away.
fine. Okay, then what I was doing is just I was attaching here. See, I am attaching here. So see here, it as attached. It's flapping here, just like this. Okay, guys. For the next step, you take funnel PVC pipe, and here I have the pipe. So what I'm doing is just I was inserting this here, so that this is a pipe that will go into the water.
Like
So,
this.
Yeah, like this. It will be going into the water. We suggest if you want, you can reduce the length of
To one third.
yeah. 1/3 of like this or this much, because it will be too height it will become. That's why if you want, you can reduce the length. So once you reduce the length, you have to use this kind of elbow, because we are inserting into the water, so it should not block the entry of the water. Okay, so otherwise you can make the hole or something instead of this. Actually we have provided this one. Okay, yeah guys, we need to insert this tube into the water, so that to avoid the blocking of the water, we are using this kind of collar. So if you want, you can make the holes here as well. Okay, and better we suggest reduce the length of this, and yeah, we'll go for the next step. Yeah, and you can see the next head part, the pump head part is ready now. So what we are doing is, yeah guys, we are ready to merge all the parts. We are going for the installation thing. Just I am inserting this into the pipe like this. Yeah, okay. Next I am taking this pipe, I am inserting here. Yes, see, yeah, this will come out like this, and tighten it. Yeah, okay. What we are doing is just we are making the handle here. So for that, what we are doing is just I was taking a nut, just I was adding the washer here, and I am inserting the handle. Just don't give that much of gap. This much is fine for us. Leave around 2.5 centimeter and just lock using the screw. Yes, fine. Just little bit lock in it. Okay. Now the outlet we need to. The outlet is pending now. Okay, guys. Now we need to do the outlet for this. So I have taken 75 mm pipe and 50 mm pipe, and have using 63 into 50 mm reducer. So I am attaching each other. You will get this one. So I am inserting into the outlet. So, and I am using the elbow here. Yeah. Guys, if you are experiencing any air leaking, otherwise any loose things, if you are experiencing, you can use that Teflon tape or our insulation tape to tighten it. This is the final output you will be getting. Okay, now the pump is ready to demonstrate.